Okay guys, look at this beautiful mist. It's bright and early here, end of June, really nice summer morning, temperature is fine, all the birds have woken up just to say hello to me. And it's just a fantastic morning. I really enjoy this being up this early and know that I'm probably the only one that's here at the moment. And to experience things like this mist and this sunrise before anyone or without anyone. So today I'm just gonna do a wander along this road or into the woods, and just see what comes up, bird life or wildlife, or no matter what. I brought my coffee, so I'm just gonna find a place now and sit down and enjoy the sounds of all these birds. Trained a lot on identifying birds on their song, and this morning it's a really good skill to have, and of course practice. There's quite a lot of birds around here, so I get good practice, and it's for me it's another dimension to wildlife, nature, and bird watching, is to be able to identify the different birds on sound without actually seeing them. This is such a fantastic morning. I'm so glad I got up. Look at this, guys. What's not to like? Okay guys, I just heard wood sandpiper. I heard it a couple of times, but haven't heard it more. But now I'm looking across the lake here because I can hear a common snipe. It's a really distinct sound on the common snipe, and it makes it when with the tail feathers or some part of the tail feathers when it flies. So I was hoping I could spot it here. No, shouldn't have said that because now it stopped. There it is, I can hear it now. Oh, I can hear it, but I'm unfortunately unable to spot it. It's quite far away. So I'll head on further. It's getting warm. The critters are here, and I'll get rid of this really warm jacket now. So I just saw two common sandpipers. I got some bad pictures and some lousy footage, but I decided to sit here for a little while and see if they come back and in a better position. And it's time for some coffee, so it's fine. Also have some lunch with me, so breakfast. And it's just here. I'll show you that there's a little island. There's a little island just here. I'll show you. So suddenly it just got so busy here. The two common sandpipers came back. There were two backlit birds just out here. I believe they were loons, but I'll have to check when I come home and get it on my PC screen. A grey heron just flew over here with this distinct sound. And I haven't had time for my coffee yet, so we're kind of in the middle of a crisis here. I'll solve that now. Can you hear the common sandpiper? It's just here. On that little island that I showed you. And here are the possible loons coming back towards me, actually. It's a bit harsh light. I don't know, time is around 7:30 or something. So it's getting, the early morning light is definitely gone. I'm trying to get another angle on what might be two loons. Because the sun was coming right behind them. I'm trying to walk a little bit around them and see if I can identify them. So just down on the water here now. There, you can't see them, but they're there. I'll find some other way than this because I'm not very well hidden here. Too open. All the places I bring you guys. This wasn't too easy. Bit steep. Yes, I can see them both now. So now I'm filming them. They're like 100 meters or something from me. This is as close that I can get. That was a steep, steep descent. Hopefully it will be better on the way up. This is how it looks. Not counting on being able to see the loons, but no. Very nice. Lucky me. They're very still. Just lying there. So that was a bit fresher than I normally descend and ascend, but well worth it. I think I got some really nice pictures of the loons, and I was able not to disturb them. I was at least 100 meters away from them, and actually right down there still in the same position. The common sandpipers. Oh, you can see it. It's on the island just behind me here now. But look at this place, guys. So I'm on a small island. There's just some stones, jumping stones that you can cross to get over this island. And it's completely untouched. Really, really nice place. And it's really quiet. And there's no other people here at all. So this is a nice place. This is what I like. And there's so many birds. It's quite busy. Identifying them all. It's a tree pipit landing over there. Sisik. Don't know the English name for it. Just flew over. I can still hear the common snipe. And over there, there's a cuckoo. Odd name. Gjøk in Norwegian. So fantastic day, morning in a fantastic place. This really delivered today. I had such a good time. And I'm not done yet. So guys, I just had an encounter with a viper. It's hidden inside that bush there. It was directly on my pathway here. So that was cool. That's viper is the only venomous snake in Norway. Not very dangerous, but many people are afraid of them, of course. But really beautiful creature, and it probably lay on this path just to gather some warmth from the sun. I'll turn around and find another way, but that was so nice, and I even got to film it. Maybe a bit too close, but the situation got the better of me. So it was only for a few seconds, so I don't think I disturbed it too much. It's a really cool animal, this. What a day! Imagine that. Alright guys, that's it for today. It's almost half past 9 now, so it's time to get home and refill some coffee. I had a fantastic time here today. Of course the weather is superb. Started off a bit chilly, but with the mist in the morning and when the sunrise came, and then with this really warm and nice weather, it's been just fantastic. And I've had some new experiences. The viper I didn't expect to stumble upon. It was a great experience, and the loons were a surprise. It's logical that they are here, but I've never seen them here before, so it was a surprise for me. And a really nice encounter, which made me go a little bit beyond where I normally wander. So that was cool as well. And I feel so lucky to be able to walk out the door and go into this fantastic nature. And I'm sharing this with you guys on YouTube because I hope that I can influence some people to get out and enjoy nature, and then also maybe take some choices in the future, that whether it's political and economical or whatever it is, that brings us a bit closer to a sustainable future. I'm really worried about the future, and even here in Norway we are destroying many of the really important habitats for birds, and birds are kind of an indicator of how well a country or our planet is doing, the nature is doing, and it's not doing really well in Norway either. So there is a crisis, and my hope is to be able to influence some of you out there to contribute to our sustainable future and saving the planet. Big words, but I had a lot of coffee this morning. So again, thanks for watching, guys. get out and enjoy nature, and I'll see you next time.